Welcome to BBC Podcast, tapping in with Tunchi again. Today, we're going to show you guys, anybody got some extra time on your hands, sitting around not doing anything, but you complain about money, it's the video you need to watch. Let's get it.
Get on your job, nigga. Motivation. Haters better get on your job. Tell them. Haters get on your job, nigga. This motivation. Sucker nigga, get on your job.
All right, y'all, we back. So, this right here is going to show you how to get some money in your pocket and free up a little bit of the extra time you have. Primarily, I would say that this is probably for someone that's part-time or trying to get something like in your pocket, like right now, and you need it fast. You don't want to mess with no checking the cash. You want to borrow no money from nobody. You want to get in debt. You want to be able to make your own money, get out your own hole. What you're going to need to start with before anything is to subscribe and like the video. I'm giving you free content right here, man, on how to put some money in your pocket. So just return the favor. I don't need no donations. I don't need nothing like that, man. Just like and subscribe and pass on the word. So let's do this. First, you'll need a car, cell phone, and 3 hours minimum spare time. So once we go from there, it'll be 3 hours out of your normal schedule. Make sure you're like reliable, like for yourself. This money's for you. Minimum $250 to $350 for 3 hours. Minimum. You can turn this into a long-term thing. You can actually set up a different couple of accounts, set some other people up that you don't even know, that probably won't even get to see this video, and make some extra money off of them too if you show them how to do it correctly. You can actually set up a little chain, a little empire. But let's start off with just showing you guys how to make this money first and get everything going for yourself. So right now, what you'll do is, if you're a part-time student, I would recommend you probably want to set this up like to be after school. I wouldn't do it before, because if you're in the middle of a task and it does take a little bit longer and you do see more foresight to make more money, you might be losing it trying to like quit the job or whatever it is and rush off and then get bad ratings and stuff like that. This thing goes off of just ratings, period. You want to be a good person, reliable, and real polite, because you're going to be dealing with actual people. So to make sure you have good mindset, like when you're going into this. Anybody else that's doing like a 9 to 5, you're in a hole, behind on rent, cell phone bill, task, got an event coming up that you want to go to, you need an extra few $100s. As I'm telling you, 3 hours a day. You can do this 7 days a week, but 3 hours a day, minimum $250, $350. Remember that. But you're going to need to get these done. Driver's license, cell phone, reliable vehicle. Now, at the same time, I know a lot of you guys out there don't have a car, which I'm going to guess that's why you're on this video, because maybe you're just in an emergency hole. Like you didn't have a car, ran into a bad engine or something like that, man. You need to get the car fixed. I get it. Cannot do this side hustle without it. Next, what you'll need is get all of your scheduling, everything together, because once this goes good for you, you can get this going. Like, say you want to do it 3 days a week. 3 days a week, 3 hours, add it up, guys, real quick, 900. Real quick. For 9 hours. Who's going to pay you that? It's kind of hard. Now, a lot of you guys out here doing Instacart and Uber and all that stuff right now, but this right here is going to, might want to put you out to the side on this, man. Or if you put the same 7 to 8 hours into Uber, you do that in here, you're going to end up here, man, leaving like some real good money. So last but not least, let's go ahead and get you guys signed up. Let's line up everything right here. I'll pull everything up on the grid and then break this down for you guys and get everything going. So the actual site is called TaskRabbit. Download it on any of your Androids or iPhone. You'll set everything up. Go to primary, log in, pretty much get your whole thing set up, get everything rolling. It'll go through the whole thing and just let you know that this is the task and the project areas where you'll be at. You can do extra stuff like assemble IKEA furniture, move some furniture, move couches. You can even go to the grocery store for some people, kind of like Postmates type of thing. So you'll see your basic rates and everything right here. You'll get everything all set up. And then once you get the whole profile set up, what you'll do is you'll learn how to like pretty much earn all your own money. All this whole thing right here is extra money, and it's on the side. So you'll always be your own boss. So you'll know how, when and where, put everything in your schedule and all the services in there that you offer. You can do up to 50 things, man. It's a lot of easy stuff out there that people don't want to do that they'll pay for. So choose your area. You'll get all that done. You set your own rates. Everything you make goes directly to you. You don't have to worry about none of this stuff. Everything goes to you, what you pay for. This app it's real, real good. So set everything up, basic info, build your profile, make it sound real, real good. You're advertising yourself. The people want to know why they want to hire you. So get that whole little resume chunk going through. You'll verify yourself, social ID, make a little business name for yourself like that. Who's going to be moving all this furniture, get everything set up. It is a pay registration fee. It's $25 for the area. You're pretty much paying to use their services. They're going to find the jobs for you. So trust me, the $25 is worth it. It's invest in yourself. You'll set your own schedule in your work area. Once you get all that stuff going and your times are straight, they'll get you set going. Here's an example right here of people who always been using the app already for about 900 jobs or so. This guy Andrew right here got everything set up for delivery alone. He charges $40 an hour. $40 an hour. You need some help moving some other stuff too. That's extra $81 an hour. Any extra repairs that he does, he's gonna charge you $70. Where are you gonna make that money? You make that money nowhere. So these are just examples right here how he's getting everything set up for you. Then once, say let's just get an example. He's charging $40 an hour to just be moving furniture. He's already done 900 jobs, 36 grand. Side hustle. He has a regular job. Side. Where are you going to make that extra money on the side? There's other things in here that you can look at some other tasks and stuff like that to get all that stuff going on. But for the main part, this is like where the money's at, man. You guys need to get in here and just get this stuff going. Car, phone, and just be around time. Here's an example right here for last month's January's and get everything all set up. This is another example right here. You can have your deliveries and everything set up ahead of time, so you already know what your schedule and everything's going to look like. That way you can see here, this is one task right here for January. This is how long it takes. 3 hours, $350. 3 hours. Go about the rest of your day. Then you can look at your schedule, your schedule for the rest of the week. If your availability is open and the people can see that, oh man, I need to move something on Friday, and they see, oh, Jeremy, he's available Friday between 2 and 6. So between 2 and 6, there's your money. And on top of that, you're already seeing that you're charging, let's just go average, let's say $35 an hour. You say $35 an hour, round that up 3 hours. So that's about $100 right there. But say if it only takes you an hour to get it done and they estimate it's going to take 3 hours, then you could roll on to another job and another task. So you can imagine that if you're doing a few tasks a day and you have the extra time and you're faster than what you say, like you're still going to get paid the hour. If you can do it in 30 minutes, you're still going to get paid that hour. So say like the Andrew guy was charging $81 an hour. If he can do it in 30 minutes, he's doubling his time and he's on to the next job. So you can line up yourself all together. So if you move in some boxes for a lady, she just wants to go from her house to her storage. Then you got another person that needs to move, say, a dresser. He's giving it to his sister and they live maybe 2 miles away. All that is all included, and you pack it in with the package, charge per hour, your time. You can add in a little bit of fuel cost and everything there. Say they bought something from IKEA and they got like a little Mini Cooper, and you got a pickup truck. She buys a little lounge couch and IKEA furniture. Not only are you picking it up and getting paid to deliver and move for that, but you get paid the assembly fee. Say you're charging $45 to assemble it. Man, this dresser probably going to take me like 2 hours, hour and a half. Really only takes you 20 minutes because you actually went to Harbor Freight and bought some little cheap stuff, invested in yourself and got some little power tools and drilled and put everything together. It's extra money in the bank. So if you did 3 hours a day, move a little bit faster than what you're supposed to do, like your hourly rate is pretty decent. So you make sure you get more jobs than least, because the higher the rate, the more people might think, there's another guy right here, Tony, man, he does it for like $20 an hour. So pick a decent rate, get all your stuff aligned and all round up, add in your time, you get your schedule and everything in there. Extra money in the bank right there without having to hit the check in the cash, man. Free info to make free money. It's out there. The work's out there, man. You guys need to get out there and find it. Tune in next, man, for the next Money Monday.